What's up guys, Ben20 back with another video, and today we are going to react to Try Not to Laugh watching funny Birds Fails videos 2023. This is new. Birds Fails videos. I don't understand. Is this about birds or something? Is this about birds? I'm trying to get this straight. Is this about birds? I don't know, but we're gonna find out. Let's see and let's go.
Little.
Okay, try not to laugh, guys.
The road to get to the other side.
I don't know if that bird, whatever. Bro, it's not even a bird. It's a chicken. Or are they the same thing? It's trying to eat it. In the world? Peck, come on. Knew it. I've seen that one before. Not gonna laugh though. All these are gonna make me laugh.
He looks for the eggs.
It's weird. He only eats the eggs, and it's cool. He looks for them.
Yo! Why am I? Yo!
And I have a visitor. He's not getting off my car.
I'm over here a lot, bro. That wasn't a laugh. That was a little. Does that count to you guys?
I'm gonna drive away.
I don't know if that counts. I don't know if that counts. It was a. I don't know.
It's like he thinks he's a herding dog.
I don't know if that counts. I don't know if that laugh counts, guys. It's your guys' thoughts. If you guys think it counts, it counts. If you guys think it doesn't count, then it doesn't count.
They're chasing my truck right now. Never seen anything like it.
Heard the way they're chasing it. In the world? Is he trying to eat your camera?
Dude, just calm down.
Wow.
Oh God. Really? The whole burger?
Yeah, well, you let it.
I must ask you a question.
They're mimicking you. Alright, yeah, guys, that was a laugh. That was a laugh. That was a laugh. I admit, I failed.
What's the turkey say?
I'm trying my best not to smile or like
Let's go.
laugh.
Let's go. Here we go.
In this moment,
Here we
let's do
go.
this.
Here we go.
Here we go.
You're fast. You can do it. At 10 miles per hour.
There he goes. Whoa.
Oh, whoa. Is it legit chasing you? Why?
He's still coming faster.
Oh no. Oh no. Run, run, fly, fly. Yeah, go, go, go. Oh, it's the mum protecting the bird. Oh no, I laughed. Again.
What are you doing? You dancing? Are you dancing? Yes. Oh yeah. Dance.
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 Dance. Yeah. Yeah.
Come on, little buddy. Here he comes. He is like, this bird is following us. Come on, guy. Come on.
Come on.
Here he comes.
Wow, this freaking what's it called?
If you're happy, you have chop, and you know it.
A parrot. Yeah, that's what they're
If you're
called.
happy,
A
you
parrot.
have chop, and you know it. If you're happy, you have chop, then you gotta whistle it too. If you're happy, you have chop, and you know it.
Yeah, that's funny. What's this chicken doing? I'll eat you for dinner. That was inappropriate. I did not mean to say that. They are meant for eating though. I apologize vegans, but I'm not a vegan, so. Whoa, that chicken's huge.
I don't know
know what they're doing, but it looks like
I
fun.
don't know.
They must be kissing. Oh wow, wow, they run fast. What?
My goodness.
Wow. Wow, what's going on here?
I wanna.
Oh, it's mad. Oh, so cute. Oh, this is not even a try not to laugh. This is just try not to freaking be say oh.
No, come on.
So cute.
Come on. Let's go.
Come on, ducklings. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, look at him, look at him, look at him. Oh,
He got you good.
Man. Oh.
Turkey's on the house. Oh, here they come.
What's going on here? Why are they on the roof? How did they even get up there?
Okay, this is what I have to deal
These
with.
chickens are huge, man.
He's sneaking in under my door.
Wow. Wow.
Steve laughed at me at work.
Oh, oh. Oh, wow. Oh, they're jumping, you guys. They're jumping, you guys. Getting jumped. Getting jumped. Oh, stop laughing. This is just so cute, man.
It's almost Thanksgiving.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Wow, look at it twist.
Oh, man.
Hey, 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 hey. I'll smack you in the face.
Hey, man. Don't attack me. Hey. Ooh, wow. Ooh, okay. Be nice. Be nice. It's okay. What?
Oish. Is he talking? They're fighting. They're fighting over the freaking.
And not for you. You do realize that, don't you?
Hey, you guys want to buy a pair of these bird glasses? Pretty cool, huh?
Because I can't drive anywhere. Another one coming up.
Hey. Down. Down.
I need to get to the office to pick up some things, but I don't know that I'm ever gonna get there.
You can do that? Yeah. All you want. Go ahead.
Yeah. There you go. Oh. Ugh. Look at all of them. Look at all of them together just walking towards him. But But anyways, guys, I legit failed. All of that was funny, man. I mean, come on, guys. You don't expect me just not to laugh. Like, all of them were just funny, bro. Anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Anyways, take care. First of all of them were so cute as well. Like, these birds are so bloody cute. But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take care and peace.